Imagine a scooter that costs the same as a standard 150cc bike, but packs technology you usually won't find even on premium bikes costing $4,500. I'm talking about 77 Hz millimeter wave radar, blind spot monitoring, and an engine with the power to literally wipe competitors off the market. With the new Cyclone RT250, Zongshen has changed the entire game at just $2,200. But the question is all this tech actually durable at such a low price? Or is it just a paper tiger? Today we're diving deep into this price war. Let's get started. Guys, something happens in the motorcycle world every now and then that stuns the entire industry. The Zongshen Cyclone RT250 has done exactly that. The price for the sport version is set at just $2,200, while the Feature Pack Smart Edition is available for $2,500. Think about it. Previously in this 250cc segment, getting dual-channel ABS for under $3,000 was a matter of luck, and TCS? That was a luxury. But Cyclone has flipped the table. They've brought a powerful 250cc scooter down to the price range of joint venture 150cc scooters. This means you're getting 250cc performance and premium features on a 150cc budget. Now, let's talk about its real power. This scooter uses the potent XQ310 engine, capable of generating 26.14 horsepower. Its specialty lies in its weight. At only 171 kilo, this bike is so light that it's as easy to handle as it is agile in traffic. But power isn't everything. Safety is vital. And here, Cyclone hasn't compromised. ABS and TCS are standard across the entire series without any discrimination. This means even if you pick the cheapest model, you won't be left behind in terms of safety. But for long-distance riders, Zongshen has included something extra. In the Smart Edition, they've added Airbag Shock Absorber S. These easily handle minor bumps and make your ride significantly more comfortable. If you're traveling long distances or riding on the highway, these small details make a massive difference. Now let's talk about the feature that sets this bike apart from everyone else, the 77 Hz millimeter wave radar. Imagine, on this price, you're getting blind spot monitoring and lane change assist. Usually, this tech is seen on bikes 4 to 6 times more expensive. This radar monitors the traffic around you and warns you of risks, which can be a lifesaver, especially on high-speed roads. In the Smart Edition, you also get a built-in central dash cam. This means if any unwanted incident occurs on the road, you have direct evidence. No hassle of extra modifications. Additionally, the console features smart car machine connectivity. Although some users have reported that the system can occasionally be slow or laggy, at this price point it's quite acceptable. However, every coin has two sides. Amidst all these features, there are some drawbacks you should know before buying. From real-world experience, it's been observed that the finish or joints of the plastic parts can be somewhat uneven. Additionally, the windshield is relatively small, which might annoy you with wind noise at high speeds. Another significant issue is the storage. In the underseat area, you can only fit a 3 or 4 helmet. A full-face helmet won't fit here. For night riding, the main headlight isn't particularly powerful and there's no backlight on the switches, which can make it hard to find buttons in the dark. Also, in the long run, its resale value is likely to be lower compared to brands like Honda or Yamaha. So, if you are looking for perfect finishing and brand value, you might still need to look toward Japanese brands. So, what's the final verdict? Is the Cyclone RT250 worth your money? Based on long riding experience, here is the advice. If your rides are mainly on the highway or you don't want to compromise on technology, spending the extra some money for the Smart Edition would be a wise move. The radar and advanced shock absorbers will significantly enhance your riding quality. The Zongshen Cyclone RT250 proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get premium technology. It is essentially for the everyday person who wants big results on a small budget. So guys, that was the detailed update on the Cyclone RT250. Would you spend an extra some money just for a radar? Or do you think Zongshen will leave others behind in this price war? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.